is my Canva app. So because of how our design is, it's animated. So the template that you should be going to is animated design, okay? Animated social media. So all you have to do is just to scroll until you see that design that you want. So all designs here has something that is animated in it. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. Okay, so this is it here. Click on that. Then the first thing you want to do is that you want to edit this design to make it so an accent, to make it yours. Okay, so you can see that this design is made up of so many colors, so I'm just going to personalize them a bit. Let me edit this text first. YouTube free class. Alright, so I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to tap on this to replace the image. Let me see. So I'm just going to try and make this as fast as I can. Go to image and I'm going to pick, let's say I pick this. Then the next thing I want to do now is I want to change the color of the background. Okay, so if you have a brand color, if you know the code, you can just come in here and put it, or you could decide to pick. You can see this is a color picker. Do you see what's going on now? So I can decide to pick again, pick this, done. But we're not going to do that. I can't be showing you all of this now. So I'm just going to quickly edit that. This is my code C4D88. C4D8D8. So because I'm using a smartphone, but if I was in a pro version and I was using my laptop, there is actually how to save all these brand colors, so you not keep imputing it every time that you want to adjust colors on Canva designs. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to change and keep changing and keep changing. We are getting there. So I want to change this purple color to, let's say, white or something else. It depends on what you're looking for. So let's say I want something light. All right, so I'm going to come here to shift this, then adjust, come to that purple. Okay, let me give it that. Then come to orange, I might give it that pink. All right, so I'm just going to adjust this back. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to check for so I want to check for animated stuff I can use. Network. Sticker. Okay, so I searched for circle, and this is, I think this is what I used. I'm not sure, but even if it's not, it still serves. Okay, so once I'm done now, I'm just going to, I'm supposed to input the icon, the YouTube icon. Now at this point I can decide to search for it in Elements, or I could just go to my gallery where I have it downloaded and use it. Alright, so this is without the background, which is very important. The fastest way of removing background from any image or icon like this is www.remove.bg.com. Okay, so once that's done, I'm just going to hit on this button here, save as, download. Next thing I want to do is I want to take it to my InShot, do the rest. And also another twist I did was that I saved a plain background, a plain design of this without the YouTube free class and the icon on it. All I had on this was just my face, so that I was able to add some other spice using the InShot app, where I added the soundtrack in the video. So I'm just going to add something else. Okay, that's so I could now come here to remove this, delete, and delete this too, then just save a plain stuff like this. So once it's done, I'm going to head back to InShot to do the rest. Alright, so next thing I want to do is I want to add my soundtracks and all. So either you come here to pick from any of this, but let me see, I think I downloaded something I wanted to use. Okay, this, and I'm going to edit it to this point. So you can see what's going on here. So I use this text option here to put in what I wanted, which is smartphone, blah blah blah, and all. Smartphone. Came here, put a transition. So there's nothing really too serious about this. Okay, let me adjust this text to this point. Alright, so that's how I created this. Good luck creating and creating and creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe,